Emmanuel Gabriel Odom, 38. Bukola Abubakar Saraki, 70. Wike, 237. Atiku Abubakar, 371. Total votes cast, 763. Void, 12. Valid votes, 751. By the power vested on me as the Chief Returning Officer of the 2022 Presidential Electoral Committee, I, Senator David Alichenu Bonaventure Mark, GCON, hereby return Atiku Abubakar, having scored the highest number of valid votes during the presidential primary election held on Saturday, May the 28th, 2022 at the Velodrome Complex, Abuja, FCT, as the winner of the election. He is hereby returned elected. Congratulations, His Excellency Atiku Abubakar. Your Excellencies, distinguished to the people. Now, the chairman of our great party, the PDP, members of the National Working Committee of our great party, members of the Board of Trustees, let me make a special mention of the electoral panel that conducted this election, our dear delegates, our most respected governors, distinguished ladies and gentlemen. Today, we are making another history. A history which we believe will bring about fundamental changes in governance and also in our political processes. Today, we have witnessed another one of the freest elections to be conducted by our great party. Again, today marks another milestone in the process to consolidate our democratic gains. Now you will recall on the 23rd of March this year, when I stood before you and Nigerians and declared my interest to run for the office of the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. In that statement, I made a commitment to 5 issues. 1, to pledge to unify this country. And that was why I referred myself as a unifier. The reason why I feel and I felt that unity is very important for us is because the government of the APC has disunited Nigerians completely between North and South, East and West, Muslims and Christians. And I therefore pledge that I will work to ensure I restore unity and I give a sense of belonging to all Nigerians, irrespective of their places of origin and irrespective of the faith they practice. I also committed that I was going to deal decisively with our security challenges in this country. I also pledged to confront our economic challenges, which were all caused by the APC government. The PDP made Nigeria one of the most prosperous, or if not the prosperous country on the African continent. We implemented economic reforms that brought about jobs, that brought about prosperity in this country. The APC came and wiped out all those gains. Ladies and gentlemen, that's why I said today is a very, very historic day, because it is going to give us an opportunity for us to reverse all the misgovernance of the APC government. Let me also use this opportunity to call on my fellow contestants and to assure them that I am ready to cooperate and work with them and give them a sense of belonging in this party and our next government. Therefore, my fellow compatriots, I want to appreciate your efforts in deepening our democratic processes in this party. It was a well-fought primary elections. So I commend you for that, and I look forward to working with you very closely so that together we can build this party to a level where we can take over the government. As I said earlier on in my remarks, I want to appeal to all aggrieved members of our party that they should please return to our party, and we are willing, we are ready, the leadership of the party, our governors and myself, to make sure that their grievances are resolved within the party. Let me also appeal to aggrieved party members. There are internal mechanisms to resolve all disputes in this party. Let us make use of those internal mechanisms to resolve our disputes in our party instead of going to various law courts and getting contradictory rulings and contradictory judgments. It is not going to augur well for the growth of our party. Our party is a very, very democratic party. It has internal mechanisms to resolve all disputes. Therefore, I call on all members of our party to make use of those internal mechanisms. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, please, in the name of God, let us remember the poor people of this country, the ordinary people of this country. Let us work to resolve most of their challenges, if not all of their challenges. Once again, I want to extend my gratitude to the leadership of our party, to our governors who have worked day and night to ensure that this convention holds. I pray that from today, this party will continue to work stronger and stronger by the day. Therefore, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, I cannot end my remarks without saying, God bless you all. PDP, PDP, power to the people. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Your Excellency. May we now invite committee. Governor Shema will now move the vote of thanks for this convention.
President Atiku Abubakar come next year. Mr. President, is this my honor as a symbol of our unity, our support, and our commitment to win the next election. Congratulations.
We're His Excellency Governor to summon the proposals and government of this convention before the chairman closes the convention forum. His Excellency Governor.
Thanks for checking out Symphony on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.